Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about a new add-on and its name Pieverse Booster Campaign. And currently on Binance Web3 Wallet, the Pieverse Phase 1 is going on. So if you have more than 61 Binance Alpha points, you can take part. And here you can see detail about the airdrop campaign, and here you can see the full guide of airdrop. So as you can see, the total rewards pool is 30 million Pieverse token, 3% of the total initial supply, and for phase 1 reward pool is 7.5 million Pieverse token. And activity has started today and it will be ended on 15th September. And so if you have enough points, you should take part. So okay, let's get started. First of all, go to your Binance Web3 wallet. After that, here you can see a banner of Pieverse Booster Campaign Phase 1. So just click on it. And after that, here you can see several tasks to do. First of all, you have to follow their X account. So just complete and click on verify. And next one is repost and expost. So click on complete and repost the tweet. And then click on verify. And next one is fast onboarding quiz. So we have to complete quiz here. So to complete quiz, we have to connect our wallet. So make sure you have connected your Binance Search wallet. And then click on confirm the sign. And here you can see detail about the introduction to the Pieverse AI assistant and what is Pieverse and how Pieverse AI works. And then here you can see the quiz. Based on the guide, which of the following statements about Pieverse features are true? So as I already studied about it, as far as my perception, the correct answer is A and C. So just click on A and C, then click on submit quiz. There you can see the answer is correct. Then click on continue to dashboard. And here you can see the dashboard. So as I have completed quiz, now I can verify the task. Then click on verify. And it's successfully verified. And next one is import external calendar. So just click on complete and complete now. And then here you can see plan your day and today date, and you can schedule your tasks here. So we have to import our calendar here. So I choose Google Calendar. Here you can see Google Calendar is under maintenance, so I have to complete this task later. And next one is complete daily bid, day 1. So we have to daily bid for 7 days to earn more Pieverse token. So click on it and click on complete now. Then create a routine. Then here you can see it's created. It's PM, that's why problem, so I should click on AM. So then click on the circle icon, then click on complete goal. So every day you should create a plan and complete it to verify this task. Here you can see it's verified successfully, and here you can see complete 3 daily beats. So if you continuously beats daily for 3 days, you can claim it, and if you complete for 7 days, you can claim also for it. And next one is use AI optimizer one time. It is also for 5 days max, so you should complete this task for 5 days and this task for 7 days. So just click on use AI optimizer one time and then click on complete now. So for complete this task, we have to optimize our routine. So I just try to import a demo events, then click on create demo events, and then you can see here it's created, and here you can see a Pieverse icon. So click on it and skip this, and next we have to ask a question Pieverse AI. So I just copy the text. We have to ask a question for help me review my today's. So it's double type. So after you write about the helping for help me review my today's schedule. So here you can see several suggestions, so you can apply any of these, and then the AI optimization is done. So then go back to the task and click on verify. So it's completed. So this task will be for 5 days max, so you should complete for 5 days to earn max profit. And as you can see, import external calendar is currently under maintenance. I cannot do this, so make sure you have complete this task also. When it is fine, just click on it and enter your email and confirm on your email, and next you can verify the task. So that's all about Pieverse airdrop Binance Booster Campaign phase 1. As the phase 1 phase always rewarded on the TG date, so you should participate it. So thanks to all of you for watching, and make sure to do subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our social handle to get upcoming airdrop updates. Thank you everyone.